Hey, Boss Dragon Metals here. Today I will be texturing some triple strand thin gauge copper wire. Matt, you say hi?
Hiya, flat firms.
Flat British. There. Chilling with me, trying to get some sun. Has it been cold for a long time? You see, just texturing it upon the anvil with the hammer won't take very long. Have to be careful as this stuff can get very brittle the thinner it gets. Which means it can snap. Which is why I'm only doing very light taps. This is just 3 strands of thin gauge wire twisted together. Done. You can see it makes a very nice pattern. It doesn't take long to make at all. You can find this sort of copper wire in most electronics. Easily found in things like mains wire, broken kettles and toasters and such. It's very easy to find this small thin gauge wire. We'll need a hard, heavy steel reinforced surface like a small anvil to work it upon though. So, that's making textured triple strand chain. Till next time.
There you go.